Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 8, go.
We did turns today, and you all nailed it. Very good. So here's the first thing. We did the tuck turn. It has this open and this closed, and then I move the circle around my follower's hand. When I'm doing that, remember those hands? It starts here, and it turns inside my follower's hand. Just rotates around. She's not doing anything funky, no fancy handshakes up there. We just let it slide. When I'm doing it, I have to ask for the follower to open first, and then close, and there's this little squeezy feeling between us. Followers got to give the and leaders. We get a little squeezy feeling, and then we go around nice and easy.
Followers and everybody, we just practiced open, triple step, half, half, third half. Practice that. Make sure that those steps are underneath you. You don't need to reach far. And also on that turn, followers, keep your elbow where you can see it, not here, not here, and you can have that arm fairly bent. You don't need to push up.
All right, neither one of us is trying to raise the roof on this turn. So rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, the other way, triple step, around the head. On that first one, it's 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. I'm really gonna say something. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 is my big moment. If I stay close up on both of those, it works. And then we swung out. We did a circle. Then we did one turn, and then another. Don't think about it. Now swing out again the other way. And then a circle. So
Facing
easy.
this way.
Hey. Turn it over. We nailed it. Hey. That's